These are my 5 tips for all videographers just starting out. Hey guys, it's James from Videographer, and in this video we're going to be talking about 5 things you should think about when starting out in videography. The very first thing you should think about is why. Why do you want to do videography? Do you want to create a full-time business out of this? Do you want to make it a side hustle? Or do you want to do it purely for fun as a hobby? Once you have decided on which route you want to go, then you can start looking at what type of camera you'd like to get. Because you're new to videography, I would highly recommend that you start out on your phone. This will teach you the basics of shooting video, getting comfortable shooting, and camera movements. When I first started Videographer, it was completely based on my iPhone, meaning I shot videos on my iPhone, edited all my videos on my iPhone. It wasn't until about 5 months ago that I actually bought Final Cut Pro and actually started using a professional editor for all my videos. Before then, I was editing all my videos on my iPhone, iPad, and I was using apps like iMovie, CapCut, and VN Editor, which leads to my second tip, which is learning how to edit videos. Learning how to edit videos is essential for all videographers. I would personally recommend you use a free editor, like I mentioned before, VN Editor, CapCut, and or iMovie. Using these free high-quality apps, I was able to learn basic concepts like green screening, keyframes, and simply just adding music to your video. My third tip for all beginning videographers is to practice shooting. Anytime you get a chance to just shoot a video, do it. Get comfortable shooting for other people, yourself, and objects and or products. My girlfriend was my subject for 100% of my videos starting out. The more videos you shoot, the better you'll get because you'll gain more experience. You'll be able to figure out your own shooting style and create some type of workflow/routine when shooting videos and editing videos. You will also greatly improve in aspects like camera movement, figuring out what type of lighting you like, sound design, and shooting in different locations and situations allows you to be more creative and forces you to learn and grow. And last but not least, my final tip for all videographers is to have creativity. Each and every videographer has their own personal style of how they want to shoot videos and edit videos. Be creative in your own way and embrace it. At the end of the day, it's your vision and your creativity that ultimately drives your videography. Most of the time, I like to use speed ramps and shoot in slow motion. To me personally, it just hits different. I also like to edit all my videos on rhythm or on beat. I will make an entirely separate video on this as well, showing how I edit videos, how I go about shooting videos, as well as my workflow. This pretty much wraps up all the topics, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be going more in depth on certain topics like how I edit my videos, how to land your first client, and specific camera settings that I use to achieve a specific look. JDFlix out.